How to fix login required in Shadow Fight 2. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to settings. Make sure you scroll all the way down until you see apps. Click on apps and then type in Google Play Store. Click on that. Scroll down until you see storage. Click on storage and then simply clear cache and clear data. Do this for the actual game as well. And for Play Games. Now if you don't have Play Games, download it, as I'm doing right here. So when it's downloaded, simply open it, and now you're gonna find Shadow Fight 2, click play, and now it's gonna open up the game. Now what Play Games does is it keeps your account in sync with the games you play, so it keeps your account logged in. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.